someone go from making $0 online to making a living online? I'll tell you how. I will tell you how. Well, listen, I'm gonna tell you how I did it. I mean, you can follow it or you don't have to. Doesn't matter. But yeah, I have been making a full-time income from home online, okay, since 2013. I don't know where you're at. Maybe you were at where I was at before I started making money online, or consistent, I should say, money online. I was sick of my job that I had. I wasn't making very much money, like $1 to like maybe $300 a week. It's constant living check to check, and I didn't have time freedom for all the work I was spending work. Can't talk. Let's get it together. For all the time that I spent working for somebody else, I really didn't have much to show for it, and you know, it was like I didn't have any time to do what I wanted to freaking do. And then I was researching things online and I came across this guru who told me I could make like $5,000 every single day. I had to just buy his course for $5,000 and I did it. What happened was literally I pressed this button in his course and I just started making all this money. I can't do it. I can't keep that up. No, I did not get into some stupid thing like that. If you fall for things like that, I don't really know what to tell somebody like that. But I did come across an opportunity. I did take advantage of it. I've had ups and downs, but it led me to being able to make $200 to $400 on a daily basis. It didn't always happen that way. Like I said, I went through a learning curve. So you're like, okay, well, what was the type of opportunity? It was affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is being able to make money selling other people's products or services. Some people can't wrap their head around that because it's like, well, how can you do that online? It's just like if a car salesman sells a car, they make a commission. Or if you go into like the malls and go into like the high-end stores, you know, the people there working, they're trying to get people to spend money because the money that they spend will make the person who sold them that stuff a commission. That's basically what affiliate marketing is. I didn't know jack squat. I started with 0 following, 0. In fact, let me tell you, I was gonna say I started with $0. Not only did I not have money in my bank account, but I was negative at that time before I, you know, was really trying to start things. I was negative almost $100 in my PayPal account. For real. Yes, you can become negative in PayPal. It is real. It can happen. It happened to me. I didn't know some of the most basic stuff when it came to affiliate marketing. Some of you watching this who haven't even made money with affiliate marketing know more about affiliate marketing than I did when I first started. There are tons of affiliate programs that you can choose from to get a part of. And the reason why I'm recommending this is because there's a chance if you're watching this, you know, you don't have like this crazy amount of money to start like a business. So the reason why affiliate marketing is so great is because you can basically find an offer or an opportunity to get with in your budget, whatever that is. You can go become a ClickBank affiliate. A ClickBank is like a place where it's got a marketplace of products in crazy different niches that you can promote, okay? They give you little links when you sign up for ClickBank. It's free, and you can go down and start looking at products you maybe want to sell online and get a commission. You can become an Amazon affiliate, things like that. But I can keep going on about what you can get into that you can make money with. But I personally am not a ClickBank affiliate. I don't do Amazon. I'm not an Amazon affiliate. I am personally with a direct sales affiliate opportunity, okay? It's a program. It's one thing. The link's in my video description below. You can click on to check it out. But the concept is very simple to understand. All I'm doing is I'm copying and pasting ads this opportunity literally gives to me once you get in. And I copy and paste them onto social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Craigslist, Twitter, you know, Snapchat, things like that. What happens is those ads attract people who are looking for this same type of opportunity. So basically what you're learning how to do is really get traffic to either this opportunity, or if you want to apply the tactics taught to something else, you can as well. The name of the game with making really good money with affiliate marketing is traffic. So that's basically what this opportunity teaches you. And not only teaches you, it says, we're not only going to show you how to do this, but we're literally giving you what you need to freaking post online to start getting traffic either to whatever you're doing, or if you want to make money with this opportunity, like one of the ways I make money, you will make, you'll get commissions for that. Speaking of commissions, let me just go ahead and in my Stripe account and show you what I've made so far today, along with what I kind of consistently make on a daily basis, just to show you that I actually do make money, okay, from home. It's not a crazy amount of money. I mean, some people are going to think this is crazy money to make on a daily basis, but I follow people who make so much money online. It's insane. It makes me come back here and want to work harder because I look at the money I make and I'm like, God, I just want to get to where I'm making like the money I see other people make. Like, it's crazy. As you can see right here though, here's my name, Marissa Bush. Today I've made $200 so far today, which is pretty cool. It's 10:39 a.m. Yesterday I made $350, which was pretty awesome. On the 6th, I made $575. On the 5th, let's see what I made, $225. On the 4th, I made $400. On the 3rd, let's load. All right, $125 was a little bit of a slower day. On the 2nd, I made $325. On the 1st, I made $200, and this is the very beginning of March. There's that link in the video description below to click on. I want to let you know right off the bat, this is not free, okay? So all you freebie seekers, scurry on off of this video. Like, I've tried free things in the past, but it's kind of like you get what you pay for. You also make what you pay for. So like you can make money with like super free things, but I've never been able to really scale it to the point I'm at now. And like, you can't really, unless you're like spending a bunch of money on paid ads to get traffic. That would be the only thing I could think of. It's a very low costing opportunity, about the same price you would spend on a dinner on a weekend or something like that. And you have the power to choose what you even want to start out with. Some of you already know about affiliate marketing, and I want to let you know this. Some of you who do know a little bit about it, this opportunity pays out 100% commissions instantly to a PayPal or Stripe account. That is like the win-win-win situation when it comes to affiliate marketing. So that's what I do to earn a living online full time. Okay, I don't have a job. When I quit that job that I was sick and tired of, like, this is what I've done ever since. I have had ups and downs. I'm not gonna say your success is gonna happen overnight, but if you're consistent, if you're willing to do basically what I did, which I was like, I'm gonna dive in, learn this stuff, apply it, and get results, and rinse and repeat. If you're somebody that has that drive, I want you on my team. I want to work with you. I want to help you. I've been helping my team more than ever before start to get their first results, or start to get results that are consistent. And yeah, I look forward to working with you. So anyways, there's a link in my video description again below. You can click on to get more information, and you can make the decision if you want to sign up for it or not. The video's over. I'm just here. You can click the link if you want. It's there. I mean, you don't have to. Some people are going to be mad that I have a link, and they're going to be like, oh my God, you have a link. Oh, you have a link. I can't believe you. I'm going to go click a link. Yeah, you got to click a link. I don't know. Don't know what else to tell you there, buddy, gal, person, friend. Maybe not friend. Hater? Huh, maybe. The video's over. You can click off anytime. I don't know. I'm in a goofy mood today. Some you guys, if you subscribe, you'll see that in my videos. Like, I'm just crazy. Anyways, don't know how much longer I'm gonna run this. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna run. Okay.